Hey there, it's John from the Fidgets, and we've got the Stinky Fish Challenge coming up in a couple days. So far, I'm leading the pack, although I would like to announce someone just donated enough money for Chris to get within about $10, $15 of me, which is excellent. However, I have to climatize myself to the fact that I might be eating really gross food. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get accustomed to it by eating other food which I find disgusting. Rhubarb. Rhubarb, the Greeks used rhubarb as compost and what my dad would call a plow down crop. The most disgusting food in the world, one of them is rhubarb, so I'm gonna practice eating rhubarb in order to get ready for the Stinky Fish Challenge. Oh. Wow, this is really fresh stuff. This is really good. Man, this is all for a good cause. Stinky Fish Challenge is raising money for our local soup kitchen called the Inn of the Good Shepherd to put some food on the shelves. The worst thing about rhubarb is that you not only taste it, and it tastes terrible, then it gets stuck in your teeth. So you have to eat it all night long. Anyways, please give generously to the Stinky Fish Challenge, and let's put some food in the into the Inn of the Good Shepherd.